Yeah, here. Whoa, that's a good fish. Violet. Bladefish. February 14th. Water temperature is 52 degrees, folks. Mark caught him one finally. He ain't skunk. Hey, that's pretty good fish.
Pretty good fish.
Pretty good fish.
Old Marco not gonna let you down.
Yeah, the Mark
every
hole.
time.
Bring Mark to the Mark hole. He's met.
No, I got it. I've seen him. He can get off now.
Yeah. He good 2.5, 3 pounder.
Yeah.
Pretty fish.
He's wide, ain't he?
He is.
He bit like he's supposed to. Boom. Not a bump bump. Worm?
Yeah. Pretty good fish, I think.
Yep.
Woohoo! Good fish. Good bite too. We got a double?
No. I don't think. No. I don't think.
All right. Get in here, big guy.
That's a fat boy.
That is a fat boy. Nice fish. Fish number 3. We're having to work hard for it, ain't we, Mark?
Sure beats working in the shop.
He sure does. Pulled it out of his mouth and he come back and got it. Wasn't paying attention. Black worm pays off again. Pretty fish. They're feeding up, ain't they? Starting to.
Good job.
Had 100 yards of line out. Old black worm.
Mm-hmm. He's got the red lip, being red lip.
Yeah. Got the lipstick on, as Ben says. I about let him have that in too long. I thought it was a stick, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Another pretty fish.
Yeah.
No big ones yet, but we're catching a few. We got 6 fish now, Mark.
I'm glad I got one where we can say we.
He had it the whole time, I think, and I just didn't feel him. I think he swallowed it. He did. He had it the whole time. They're getting smaller. You're right, Mark. Every time we move somewhere, we'll catch another fish.
You catch another fish. That's a little bit better fish, ain't it?
Nah.
He just far out.
He's a long ways out.
He is a cut little one.
Yep.
But he's a fish.
He's number 7, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a little one.
I'd take him. Don't be throwing him back and talking bad about that.
You got the same color worm I got on, and you're
do.
fishing in the same boat I'm in, so. Call it a day. We got 7 fish. Enjoyed